Hello, good morning mga kabusog. Ngayon is Sunday. All we need to do is a home workout. Samahan nyo home workout ngayon kasi Monday to Friday doon tayo nagwo-walking. Siguro sa mga susunod is jogging naman. What are you waiting for? Let's go! At syempre, kasama natin ang Quaker Oatmeal para mas healthy tayo everyday. What are we waiting for? Let's eat na ng healthy breakfast. Quaker Oat.